Rock a bike it is, bye you go. Oh, Edgar, you sly old fox. Oops. Oh, dear. A slip of the hand and it's off to dreamland. Your favorite dish, prepared a very special way. It's creme de la creme a la Edgar. Sleep well, I mean eat well, of course.
Come on, Roquefort, have some.
Oh, thank you. Don't mind if I do. Just a few dunks. Ooh, very good. My compliments to the chef.
Ooh, I can make that. This creme de la creme was the creme de la creme of my childhood, that's for sure. We'll start by making Roquefort's cookie. First, combine brown sugar, French butter, warmed honey, and milk. Beat until creamy, then slowly add in the whole wheat flour, baking soda, and sea salt. Once mixed, we can toss in an egg along with the remaining cups of whole wheat flour. After a sticky dough comes together, pop it into the fridge to chill for 30 minutes and then roll it flat between 2 pieces of parchment paper. Then, we'll use a round cookie cutter and a chopstick to form Roquefort's cookies. Then, we'll bake until crisp. While the cookies are baking, we can make the creme de la creme a la Edgar. Start with evaporated milk, heavy cream, a spoonful of sugar, plus vanilla, nutmeg, and some cinnamon. I didn't have any sleeping pills handy, but I did have some of Dr. Bresswell's sleeping powder, and that should work just as well. If you can't find any sleeping powder, sweet rice flour will also work. Whisk the milky mix until it is just beginning to thicken. Then turn off the heat and whisk in the whole milk to make a smooth, drinkable consistency. Serve it up warm or chilled, whatever suits your fancy. The cookies are sweet and crispy and perfect for dunking into our creme de la creme a la Edgar. Just make sure not to overindulge, or else you might find yourself waking up under a bridge somewhere outside of Paris. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon.